During all phases of the project lifecycle, the Autodesk Construction Cloud and the AEC Collection enable planners, engineers, and contractors to collaborate more effectively with owners and improve project delivery. The AEC Collection links the design platforms together to help you improve design quality. Data is connected and aggregated to improve accuracy and to clarify design intent. The Autodesk Construction Cloud enables you to manage documents efficiently, exchange data between teams seamlessly, and expedite design reviews. As metadata is added throughout the project phases, the details are maintained in a common data environment. At handover, this becomes the digital basis for operations and management, helping the owner optimize the lifecycle of the asset.